The Samsung Galaxy View 2 is a new 17-inch 1080p tablet that AT&T sells. Its size means that it is essentially a portable television that turns out to be an Android tablet. Undoubtedly, AT&T expects you to use it to watch the company's next broadcast service, or your existing and increasingly besieged DirecTV Now service. Outside the device's huge screen and robust 12,000 mAh battery, the specifications of the Galaxy View 2 are more modest. It has an Exynos 7884 1.6 GHz 8-core chipset with 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. On the front there is a 5-megapixel camera, but there is no camera on the back, probably because the idea of taking pictures with a 17-inch tablet is illogical. The Galaxy View 2 is clearly designed with video in mind, and comes equipped with a set of quad speakers with support for Dolby Atmos. However, it also includes LTE and support for NumberSync, the AT&T service that allows you to share your primary phone number and make calls with the tablet. The Galaxy View 2 will cost $37 per month from AT&T for 20 months, resulting in a total price of $740. It will be available as of April 26.